Hi, I'm Stan Cook. Have you ever thought about doing a YouTube video? You think it costs too much? You think you don't have the equipment? We're going to talk all about that coming up next. You know, frankly, you can make a YouTube video on a laptop as long as it's got a camera. May not be the best YouTube video in the world, but you can do it, and it's a place to start. On the other end of the spectrum is a lot of creators out there who spend a lot of money on their equipment, lighting and cameras and microphones and booms and dollies and all this stuff. You don't really need to do that either. And I call myself a minimalist. I've got some equipment that I do, and I think it's enough to make a decent YouTube video. So let's talk about and show you what I use to make my videos. Okay, let's start with the computer. I use an Apple Mac Mini. It's because I've had it for a long time. It's done several things for me. But for doing videos and things like that, it's very adequate. Works just fine. From there, over here, I've got a microphone. It's a Rode type microphone, but a little less expensive. Works very well for me. And I 3D printed a little stand for it. How about lighting? One of the tricks I found early on were these. They are LED pieces that fit in the female end of a USB. Let me show you how it works. You just tap the back of it, it goes on, tap the back, and it goes off. And I've got two of them here in front of my screen. Here's another one here, tap it on, tap it off. They work very well, and they're very cheap. You can pick up a little box of them for like $4. I really enjoy those. As for the camera for my videos, I use a Logitech webcam. Works fine. It's very inexpensive. And as you can see right here, I've got a 3D piece I printed. And what I slide in here, because I'm using my iPhone as a monitor right now, but I slide my iPhone in here and it works for my scripts. And I'll show you how that works in just a little bit. Other lighting. Over here is a LED lighting tube that was offered on TV for $19.95, and it works really great. And my other lighting is over here, which is just a shop type floodlight with an LED bulb in it, and then general room lighting. That's pretty much all the lighting I need. As for the monitor here, this is a supersonic TV type set, which I can watch television. It's big. It serves great as a video monitor for the computer, and it's way less expensive than your normal outfit. Next, we have the green screen. This is just a green piece of cloth, big, and I ran a wire from one side of the office over to the other side. So when I'm not using the green screen, I can just slide it back over in this corner over here, and it's out of the way. What's the green screen do for me? Well, most of you probably already know, but here is my monitor, and you're looking at my office via the green screen. I can change those around. I can turn that one off, and I can put on the Google Campus. There's Google right there. Of course, this part right here would not be seen because I would be shooting with that camera, and you're going to see that at the end of this video. I can turn off the Google Campus. And, I'm going to turn off the Google Campus. My studio, so to speak, It's a lot of fun. People think it's a real studio. What else we got down here? Oh, my computer store. I did a video about computers and so forth, and I used that as a background. And I guess the TV store is the background I used when I did a video about over-the-air TV. So I'll go back to the campus for now. So that's fun. It's really easy to do. The program, which is free, is called OBS. It's an over-the-air broadcast station, and you can find that. It's free, and it works really well. As you can see, this is the whole thing right here. You can start a recording, end a recording, change all these different effects, and it works fine. So when I record, it looks like I'm right there, and you're going to see that, as I said earlier, at the end of this video. Okay, now I'm going to cut away and go put my iPhone up there and see how it works. Okay, now my iPhone is in position in the 3D printed form, and I've got a program in there called Prompt Smart, and it shows your script. After you type it, you put it in, and when you're ready to start, you push this button right here. It changes to that, and you start to, and it listens to me as I talk, and you'll see how it advances. Hi, I'm Stan Cook, and I'm passionate about showing people things they need to know. Can you get OTA TV? What is OTA TV? Can you get it for free? How do you know if you can get it? We're going to cover all that coming up next. And stop it. So that's how that works. It's the program's Prompt Smart, and it is free in the App Store for the iPhone, and I'm not sure if Android has one or not, but it's worth a shot. Anything that's free and works for you is good. That's pretty much it. And I got some more comments coming up. Okay, just a couple more things for you. One of them is video editing. You don't need to spend $350, $400, Final Cut, all these, you don't need to do it. Most of the things that you need for a YouTube video can be found on inexpensive video editors. The one I use is called Wondershare Filmora. It's $80. It's got its own music, it's got tags, lower thirds, just about everything you need. So that's the main thing. Don't spend a lot of money if you don't need to. Later on, when you be making $1,000 a month, you want to buy that sort of stuff, fine. But the videos you can do now, you can do inexpensively. Okay, I'll be right back. Well, there you have it. That's what I use. That's the equipment that I use. Now, I've been doing YouTube since before 2004 when Google bought it. Back in those days, we only could use very short videos. We put them up on YouTube, and we get a link that we could share with friends or neighbors or family. There was no subscribing in those days. There was no channels. There was no like buttons. There was none of that. Okay? After Google bought YouTube, of course, they expanded it. Now people can make money. You can make big money, but you really got to work at it. Most guys, when they really hit the line of good money, they go into YouTube and they do it full time. Remember this, you can do a YouTube video, as I said before, on a laptop. It won't be great, but you'll get the information out. The secret is, of course, is content. Content is king. If you don't have information on your YouTube video, it can be as fancy as you want it with all the special lights and cameras. Doesn't matter. They won't stick around. People go to YouTube mostly to find out information. After all, YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world, with Google being number one, and guess who owns YouTube? Google. So there you go. You can make this as big a business as you want, or just have fun with it. As I said, I've been on before 2004. Haven't taken it seriously from here to there. Usually I just put my videos there, like I said in the beginning, to share. Now it's getting to be more fun, and I enjoy, as some people say, I have a passion for giving you information that will help you find the things you need to know. So that's the way it is. I hope you enjoy the information I've given you today, and if you found it to be of some value, then I appreciate you subscribing to my channel. And right next to the subscription button, there is a little bell there. If you click that bell, then you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. If you don't click the bell, you'll still be subscribed, but we won't bug you. But you can come on and check out my channel anytime that you want. Thank you very much for viewing today, and thank you for viewing the videos on my channel.